I'm gonna turn that off. Woo, buddy. Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a Healey out of a garage where it's lived for around 50 or so years. Now, this is a barn find, but not in the normal, parameters of having sat dormant for X amount of years. The car has sat in this particular barn or garage for a while. We have, as the shop, serviced the car from time to time. Then we got it running last year, did some brake work, but again, it just keeps going back to the same location and sitting. So we're gonna go over there and check it out, hopefully start it up and try to drive it back. It's only about 1.5 miles from our location. So that's what this video is gonna be about. I hope you like it. The car will be for sale in the coming future after we go through it and make it a little more livable. It'll be probably put on Bring a Trailer, or if you're interested, let me know in the comments. Thanks.
I got a check for you. I didn't make it out because I didn't know what you want to write it in your name.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have another key or just this one?
They didn't fit. I think I paid $20-some for them, but he told me to bring them back.
Yeah. Okay. Let me write a check.
And where?
And get the title?
Do with the, here you go.
You can leave that. On the throttle.
Okay. Alright, welcome back to the Addicted Motors channel. In this video, you might see me die driving this Healey somewhere. Keeps popping out of gear. See if it'll stay in gear. Oh, brakes, no brakes, no brakes, no brakes. Okay. Doesn't like first gear. What? Oh. Oh my God. So I got very little brakes and I keep popping out at first. Yeah, that'll be fine. Alright, well, here goes nothing. Let's see if I like second better. Beautiful day though. The seat's also all the way back. So I got long legs. I'm still stretching to reach the pedals. And I already mentioned the fact that there's no brakes. So we're doing this. Didn't really even bring the camera set up. Third's a thing. So we're gonna have some fun. We're probably gonna die. I have to go all the way back to get the brakes going. This is gonna be fun. our Healeying. Oh man, this seat's a thing. So, this car we just pulled out of a garage. I don't even remember the year. It's an early model. It's got the earlier interior. 4-speed car. Coming up to the toll here, and I don't have brakes, so I need to make sure there's nobody around. It needs a lot of things. We got it for a good price. It's a cool red interior, white exterior. It's been in their family for 50 years, so it definitely needs love and attention. But I mean, it's pretty cool. We'll do more on it once I get it back. There's 4th. Very strong gas smell. We're gonna ignore that. Front end is super loose, but it's making power, so we're gonna make it up the hill. Overdrive. Overdrive works. I got overdrive! And no seatbelts and no roof and no nothing. I'm gonna turn that off. Woo, buddy! Let's go! Don't need brakes or seatbelts where we're going. This car taking his life into his hands. We got the wobbles. No brakes, but we have gauges. So we got overdrive. The steering doesn't want to do the steering thing, but it's pretty glorious. Well, we made it all the way to the gate, and then the battery disconnected. Literally, it came off as I was pulling in here. We pushed the last few feet, so that's a win in our book. But that's going to remain. This is a push. It's a push car for now. But here it is in the light, guys. I mean, it's cool. This is going to be probably sold as is. It's kind of like a ratty running and driving project. I wouldn't try to make it original. I would, I wouldn't say resto mod it, but make it a sweet little driver, because I mean, these 6 cylinders, the big Healeys, MK2s, MK3s make a lot of power, and you can really feel it. This one just really needs a little bit of TLC, just gone through. And yeah, I like it. Maybe lose the white walls, black tires, some rims that aren't wire rims. I don't know, do something cool with it. All right, battery cable reattached. It's a good looking car.